Look here, folks. We got a cicada upside down. What happened to him? Here, come on, turn over. Turn over, buddy. The weather must be cool enough it's messing with him. Come on. There he goes. Come on. See him? Come on. Get on there. I'll show. Take you over to Joy. Come on, hang on. Come on, buddy. You to hold my stick and I'll take you over here to Joy. Hang on. Oh, looky, Joy. Go over and say hi to Joy. Hang on. Look at him. He's hanging on with his paw. That's a cicada. We're going to watch you there, buddy. Hi, buddy. Hi, beady eyes. You're on camera. Is that camera still rolling? Right underneath, like that. See him right there? That's a cicada. Wonder what variety. There's so many different varieties. Some are.
Do they die after a year and come back? Every 7 years.
They shed their skin, and I guess it's called pupa or whatever it is, but it falls down the ground and they boil down the ground. And some are like 14 years or 17 years.
Yeah.
They don't come back every so many years. Those are ancient creatures.
Don't you wonder how they live?
Yeah, I guess. Do I need to worry about that? Do I need to think about that? Well, let's just ask a question. You're 17 or 14 years. How did you live 82 years?
One day at a time.
One day at a time, sweet Jesus. I'm just a cicada bug. Let me bore in the ground and I'll stay for 14 or 17 or 16 years or something like that.
See that little black bug on my head?
Yeah, there's one there too. It just came off that guy. Is he sleeping during the day or what do they do? What do they do in the
I have
daytime?
no idea.
He looks like he don't want to move.
Well, he'll jump on me,
Oh, he's going to jump on you. He's going to come and see you.
Hi, baby. What are you doing? You want to talk to me a little bit?
Oh, there he is. Where'd he go? There he is underneath my chair. I think he's getting ready to shed because he's not agile for some reason. It's like his wings don't want to fly right. Let me get out of the way so you can see him better. Pick up a chair. Get him out there in the sun. Come on over in the sun, buddy. Don't be down in the boot. There you go. There you go. Put that camera there. We can keep you on camera. Well, what are you flipping over for? No, look right at the camera. I don't want to be on camera. People to wait for His eyes are looking down. I think he's trying to sleep. So he fluttered again. There he goes, trying to fly away. Cicada. Nick would like this, I'll bet. When Nick, my first grandson, when he was a little guy, I took him out in the back. Little tree. And I told him, we need to get a jar. And he got us a jar. And he said, what are we going to do, Papaw? I said, we're going to go cicada hunting. He said, cicada hunting? What's a cicada? I said, come on, I'll show you. And we got close to a tree, and there was one of those brown shells laying on the ground. I picked it up and showed it to him. He looked at it, put it in his hand, he twisted around, twisted around. It's okay, you go out to that tree and see if you can find a cicada. You see, folks, I'd already been there, and I knew there's probably 20 or 30 of them on that tree. He went out there, and he come back with 17 or 18 of them in that can. Actually, it was a glass jar, where you can see them. A little mason jar. He's sneaking up on Joy. Don't say nothing, folks, but he's sneaking up on Joy. He's crawling up to the back of the tree. He's going to sneak up on her. He's going to sneak up on you. Sneak up on you. Yeah, not today. He's got more energy than he had. He's moving better now. Here comes an ant. Ant's coming over to get him. Okay, we'll stop this right here and we'll see what he does. I want to see how he's going to get over that. Look, he's trying to climb up it. He's trying to climb up over the lawn chair, over the tube on the bottom of the lawn chair. He wants to get up there and see Joy. Honey, he wants to come and see you. There's a bee wanting to see you too. He's right there, right there. He's right there beside you. He ain't gonna, don't swat at him. He's not hurting you. He just smells your sweetness. There it is. He knows where the sweetness is at. Little pop. Cicada's looking back over at me now. Alright, I'm going to flip another one in my pop. Watch this, folks. We're going to capture another bee. Watch. See him? He's going to get down in there. He's going to get on my ring. I'm going to flip him down in there. Go ahead, buddy. You'll get drowned in there. They want that sweet stuff down in there, but they can't. Once they get it, they can't get out. He says, what is this on camera? He says, I don't want to be on camera. I think he flew away. Yeah. Oh, there he is back again. Uh-huh. You don't trust me, do you, buddy? Go ahead, buddy. Go right on in there. You'll be like that, what's his name? Ray Stevens. He jumped in that vat of beer and couldn't come out. So we pulled him out 4 times. He jumped back in. Can't resist the sugar. It's like me, I can't resist them cookies. Here he goes again. If I'm in the right position, I'll put him right down in there. Here's the mailman. Everybody going. Come my way and I'll put you right in there. Oh, he almost got in there. He almost went down. He's tempted. Temptation, temptation. You get it every day. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd our cicada go? He was right there. He's gone. I didn't hear him flitter or nothing. Did you reach down there and get him? Under my chair? Where did he go? No, he's not anywhere. No, he's not. He would come all the way over to here. Now, supper time discussion. Let's do don't need 2 steaks. You need 2 steaks. That's why we don't want 4 steaks. I never eat more than 1. No. Still got steak in there from the other day. I didn't eat at the restaurant. We went to dinner the other night. Actually during the day. The sisters, one sister and some more sisters and the other one from over here at the lake. They took us out to dinner. And she challenged me to a pool game. And I went over there and I played pool with that woman. She played on that National Women's Baseball League back in the 40s and 50s. And I was 3 balls ahead of her all the way to the end of the game. And I hit this one. I thought sure it was going to land in the pocket. And I was on there. I hit that ball and it went. What's that white ball called?
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't even know what the thing is called. I just
It's the one that's
I hit that ball and it hit that red striped ball or orange, whatever it was. So it went in the pocket. I thought sure I won. And that little white ball hit right on me. Right in the pocket also. So I scratched again and she won. So, Joy and I split the deal, which we do that a lot. We can save money that way. Ours split money for a deal, but it always goes more. So we ate half and half, right? Half salad, half steak, half of it. So, when the girls, they're done eating. And you and me, I love my food. So I got about a steak about that big. I didn't eat all that. Oh, look here. Look it in there. Look it right in there. Look it right in there. See? Look at my finger, the shadow of my finger. See him right there? What is that? It's a grasshopper. See him? See him in there? He's in there hiding. He got you. You're on camera now, buddy. Trying to hide. He's trying to go hide. Look at him. Climbing down in there. Can't get away from us. We see you. Come on out there, buddy. Come on. Put on a show for us. Joy wants to see it. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on out there. Here he comes, Joy. Jump up there, man. Trying to hide. Look at it. You get out of there. Come on. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? guy climbed down there to hide. He's hiding from us. He don't want to be on camera. Oh, he's in here. No, he went down. He went down in the brambles. You're getting me mowing, are you? Alright, I'm going to stop this for now.